when you create a new Binance account, you are given a unique nickname, and in most cases it's very long and complicated. So if you want to learn how you can customize it, you're at the right place, because in this video I'm going to show you how to change your nickname on Binance. So guys, let's get started. Now when you are signed into your account, the first step you need to do is to click on your profile icon, then next click on dashboard from this drop down menu. Then on your account dashboard, you'll see the nickname I'm talking about. It's right here. So if you want to change it, just go to your left hand options and click on settings down here. Next on settings, under my profile, you'll see a nickname. Just go to your right and click on edit. Then next here, you can delete your current nickname and type in your preferred new nickname. Then once you are done, just click on save button, and your new Binance nickname will be updated on your account. So guys, that's how you can change your nickname on Binance. So thank you so much for watching. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.